As always, it's a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's just damp. This one is ice dyed, so it needs to be flipped inside out. And since we're going to start from a corner, we don't need to divide it in half or anything like most of the designs. But I am going to flatten it out. There we go. Now, since it's inside out, left and right are reversed. So if you want it on the left side, you need to put it on the right side. So I'm going to freehand this. Basically, I put my elbow in the corner. And then just do that. Takes even less time when your phone doesn't do a notification. Okay, so these are going to be an inch or so, more or less. And it's just an accordion. And until you reach the end, you can touch this up. And I'm going to go ahead and tie this off. This isn't the top of the design, but it's where I need to mark it. So do that, and I'm going to go ahead and mark, if I can get that, let me touch these up first. There we go. Right. I'm going to mark about 1.5 inches up from here. And I'm going to go ahead and mark the first couple over here, although it needs to be cleaned up a fair bit. And I'll go ahead and tie these off. Okay, just cut that off. And I'm not concerned about this. That'll just be however. And it's the only part that'll be dyed, and a little bit up here. If you saw the Peacock Flames video, this is the exact same fold for that, except for the double fold over here. I'm not doing that on this. And the colors are just different, and I'm not dividing up the colors. You'll see. Alright, for this I'll be using Daffodil, Lemon Yellow, Orange Crush and Deep Orange, Fire Red, Oxblood Red. Those are all from Dharma, and then I'll be using Custom Colors Dark Black. So let's get started. Alright, I'll let this sit. I'm probably not going to do anything on the back, and we'll just see what it looks like on the washout. Alright, I think I've decided I'm going to go ahead and flip this and add some dye to the other side. The problem is, the only thing holding it in place are these. So, let's see if I can do this without making a huge mess. It's not bad. Alright, I think I'm just going to go with lemon yellow. Need to get that off there. There we go. Lemon yellow for the majority of it. It looks like the black soaked through a lot more than I had thought it would. So lemon yellow and then a little deep orange, since there's not much coming through up here. Alright, I'll give this 24 to 36 hours and then we'll do the washout. It's been about 24 hours, so time for the washout. Alright, let's take a look. There's quite a bit that got up here. Hoping that will wash out mostly. But let's go wash it and see what happens.